I'm Alexander Turnbull, celebrity stylist, and I'm here with my friend and my model, Sonia. So we're going to talk about tools today and what the best thing is to use for a synthetic wig. I am a massive fan of the Velcro rollers, so I put some Velcro rollers in the head of hair to show you how these are going to work. You can wet a whole wig down, set it in some Velcro rollers and get maximum lift. What I did today was I put the wig on, threw these Velcro rollers in, and then we've put a little bit of our special spray on, and we have literally just let them dry in naturally. This wig itself was actually really quite flat, so I'm going to take these out and show you exactly what we do. Little clips in at the roots, and right here I've just used a really nice big blue Velcro roller just to give me that beautiful bend towards those ends, which you can see there. Taking this one out. Now this is a slightly smaller roller, so what that's going to do is that's going to give you a little bit more bounce from the root itself, while also giving you a little bit of control at the ends. Now in a salon situation, as a stylist, and you were doing a set, you would never put a roller like that with the roots coming out horizontal, because what's that not giving you? It's not giving you maximum root lift. But I didn't want maximum root lift here, okay? Because I still want this to be an age appropriate style. So pulling that out there sets the root coming out this way, giving me some bend there. If you want more root lift, you take the section and you pull it right forward and it will sit there and give you more root lift. So I'm just gonna take another one of the purple ones out there. The larger rollers, they just give you curve and curve and curve. They won't give you an actual curl as such. But the beauty of using Velcro rollers on your wigs is if you are going to put them in, you know you're not going to wear your wig till the night time, or in a couple of days you're not going to be wearing it. Put them in early, leave them in, keep them in for a while. It doesn't really matter. The longer they're in, the better. And we'll just take that final roller out the head. I'm coming in with my trusty René of Paris brush, and I'm just literally going to brush that out. So this is the equivalent of, with your own hair, going to the salon, getting a wash and getting a blow dry and having that really fresh look. It's not going to look a million miles away from what your ordinary hair is, but it will look that little bit more dressed, that little bit more polished, and that little bit more done. What else can you use, and what else is a fantastic tool? Here we have a cold set brush. So this brush can literally plug in, okay? It gives cool air through there, so it's going to give cool air and it's going to enable you to style. So for instance, okay, so see how this has come through here. If you just wanted to smooth that through and you necessarily didn't want to use, you know, the Velcro rollers, and you just wanted a bit of a softer look, this is the thing for you. So you come in right here, boom, blow dry that through, let the air come in and hold that, and a little bit of spray and hold that like this, and then let it go. A great thing that this is good for as well, if you find that you've got a little bit too much bounce in there, okay, you can start taking the brush, letting the air come through and just brushing this flat, because the air is going to penetrate through the brush onto the hair, and you know, air is cohesive, okay, so a cohesive movement is breaking down bonds and resetting bonds. So that would be another great tool. So we've got the cold set brush, we have the Velcro rollers. What else do we need? Really, very little. So when it comes to working with synthetic wigs, you need very little indeed. For tool number 3 is the right products. If you choose the right wig at home and you get the right wave, the right curl, the right straightness, the right colours, products should be secondary, okay? Less is more. But this shampoo is fantastic. The conditioner is fantastic. The hairsprays are fantastic. Please use the ROP products. That would be your last and perfect tool to use when it comes to working with them wet or styling or finishing. The other best styling tool or best tool that you can get to work with your wig simply is a second wig. I say this because if you have a second wig, then when you're styling the first wig, or if this one's going to get washed, then this one can go on your head. So you get the head which we can provide for you. You put the wig on the head. When that wig is on the head, you let that dry naturally, fall back into its natural form, and you wear the second wig against the other one, and so on and so forth. So then that wig, you think it needs a wash, you think it needs a change, you think it needs a freshen up. You do the same with that one, then you put that one back on the head, let it dry naturally, let it do its own thing, and then you wear the other one. So what that does two benefits. You know, you are never without your fantastic hairstyle, and it extends the life of it. So, you know, it lasts twice as long. So effectively you're wearing one against the other, one against the other, one against the other. That is my advice to you, and they're the tools that you need.